I travelled about a bit of me time, of troubles I've seen a few. I found a far better than every climb to paddle me own canoe. Me once see a smaller curl at the doll, me dead see a pain when due. I drive away straight for the ocean of life and paddle me own canoe. And I have no wife to bother me life, no lover to prove untrue. The whole day long I laugh at the song and paddle me own canoe. So love everybody, trust only the few, it's the world you go travelling through. And never sit down with a tear in or frown, but paddle your own canoe. I rise with the lark from daylight to dark, I do what I have to do. I'm careless in wealth, I've only me health to paddle me own canoe. I have no wife to bother me life, no lover to prove untrue. The whole day long I laugh at the song and paddle me own canoe. It's all very well to depend on the friend, that is if you prove them true. You find it better by far in the end to paddle your own canoe. To borrow is dearer by far than to buy, it's saying the most are true. You never will sigh if you only will try to paddle your own canoe. And I have no wife to bother me life, no lover to prove untrue. The whole day long I laugh at the song and paddle me own canoe. Though England has ruled our small little land, and many's the country too, just take my advice and never think twice, but paddle your own canoe. It's better I say